Hello, myself Manav Dhami. Today I am going to tell you about my topic Big Data. What is Big Data? Big Data is a collection of data that is huge in volume, yet growing exponentially with time. It is a data with so large size and complexity that none of the traditional data managed tools can store it or process it efficiently. Big data is also data but with a huge size. Means it is a data which have collection of many different things, images, photos, daily task, notes, everything. That is a huge collection of data is called a big data. uh, there are three types of big data. First is structured data, second is semi-structured data, third is unstructured data. So let us see structured data. First, structured data. Structured data can be crudely defined as the data that resides in a fixed place within a record. It is bound by a certain schema. So, all the data has the same set of properties. Structured data is called relational data. So, here it is saying that the data which have the same properties are resides in one same data which have similar properties. And here there is example that a structured query language SQL is needed to bring the data together. Structured data is easy to enter, query and analyze. Now next, semi-structured data. So here there is a photo which looks like semi-structured data. Semi-structured data is not bound by any rigid schema for data storage and handling. The data is not in the relational format as we have seen in structured data, and is not neatly organized in rows and columns like that in a spreadsheet. So here it is not neatly organized like structured data where the equal properties of data are reside in a same manner, sequential manner. Since semi-structured data does not need a structured query language, so it is commonly called no SQL data. Let us see that no SQL data are like we use the applications like MongoDB and many more. A data serialization language is used to exchange semi-structured data across systems that may even have varied underlying infrastructure. Now let us go to the unstructured data. What is unstructured data? Unstructured data is a kind of data that does not adhere to any definite scheme or set of rules. It arranged in unplanned and haphazard manner. Photos, videos, text documents, and log files can be generally considered as unstructured because they are different in manner, they are unplanned. It can set any type of data that is unplanned. Even though the metadata accompanying an image or a video may be semi-structured, the actual data being dealt with is unstructured. So, here are the three V's of big data. Let us see what are they. First, volume. The name big data itself is related to a size which is enormous. Size of data plays a very crucial role in determining value of data. Name itself is a big data, so how much it will be? The enormous size. Hence, volume is one characteristic which needs to be considered while dealing with big data solution. So here, big defines the volume will be much higher. Now, secondly, velocity. The term velocity refers to the speed of generation of data, how fast the data is generated and processed to meet the demands, determines real potential in the data. Now, let us take example of social media. Instagram. Every day, many people post many images, videos, and many more. So you can think that how much data is generated faster. So this velocity refers to the speed of generation of data. Now we goes to the next V, variety. This refers to the inconsistency which can be shown by the data at times, thus hampering the process of being able to handle and manage the data effectively. Next, how big data works. It works in three partition manner. First is integrate, second is manage, third is analyze. First, integrate. Big data brings together data from many different sources and applications. Traditional data integration mechanisms such as extract, transform, and load (ETL) generally aren't up to the task. It requires new strategies and technologies to analyze big data set at tetrabyte or even at petabyte. Integrate is a collection of data that we have to collect from different sources. Now second is how to manage that collected data. Big data requires storage. Your storage solution can be in the cloud, on premises, or both. You can store your data in any form you want and bring your desired processing requirements and necessary processes engine to those data sets on a demand basis. Many people choose their storage solution according to where their data is currently residing. So here, as you wish, where you want to store your collected data, in which folder, where the location you have to store, that you have to manage. Third, analyze. Your investment in big data pays off when you analyze and act on your data. Get new clarity with a visual analysis of your varied data set. Explore the data further to make new discoveries. Share your findings with others. Build data models with machine learning and artificial intelligence. Put your data to work. Here, analyze tells us about where the data you store. After seeing your data, you will realize that how to analyze my data. After seeing my data, I will put my money on that stock market or not. That stock market is risk or not. That here we have seen in analyze, how to analyze the data. Now let us go to the examples of big data. Here are some examples of big data. First is building and construction, unemployment, electricity, agriculture, insurance, natural disaster, tax evaders, health welfare, and political decisions. So here are some of the examples of big data. Thank you.